A little coconut oil. A little bit more than a tablespoon. Let's make it a tablespoon and a half. Some bird's eye steamed fresh sugar snap peas. We're going to wok these up. Ooh, look at the difference. One's bright green, the other's not. Alright, wait for it. All the moisture is gone. We got a little burny on some of the sugar snaps. We got our Koon Chun Hoisin sauce. And that looks like about 3 tablespoons. Hoisin sugar snaps. Something for my vegetarian playlist. Ooh, wow, that smells unbelievable. Only 7 grams of sugar as opposed to the other one that has 17. That does look good, doesn't it? I have to throw that on the taco. Come on, a taco on my channel? Why would I do that, right? That does look good. I taste it, but these things just came off the fire. They're really, really hot. Yep, very hot. Something for my vegetarian playlist. Love you.